Hi, Diana. I'm preheating the oven, so I figured I'd just show you. Okay, so what you see here is just any kuta opened up. This is Algebra 2. You can open up geometry. You're going to create an assignment like you normally would. I could put reference angles, how many I want. Okay. Now, instead of doing File, Save As, which you could do, I go right to KudaWorks and I post my assignment. I'm already logged in because I've been using it all day. I'll show you how to set up the account in a different video. And you would just go to KudaWorks, sign in, and post. That easy. So when you go to post assignment, you have the choice of students getting different questions, and I do that. So I don't have an issue where and the grades actually are showing it for my Algebra 2 CP class. I don't hide the answers because I want them knowing right away what's right or wrong, and they can contact me, and then I can look at their work that they post. I tell them no work posted, no credit, and I'll show you what I put on the portal in a little bit. So, and then you choose which course you want. So I would have geometry here. I would select geometry. I would choose the due date and the due time. If you don't want them seeing it yet, then you start a different time. And that's it. And you just post it. It's that easy. I'll show you another video how to open up a KudaWorks teacher account. Very, very easy to do. And then another one where I'm showing you what I'm doing on my portal. Any questions, contact me. Bye.